Hello, good evening, my dear student. This is Suryanand, chemistry teacher. Welcome in my channel, Chemistry Wala Anand sir. Today, let us discuss the chemistry of class 10, chapter number 1, chemical reaction and equation. We are discussing the NCERT question, page number 6. So let's start the NCERT question of page number 6, my dear student. Let us understand the chemistry in the simple. Let us understand the chemistry in the simple and easy step with the different manner. So, my dear student, it should be quite clear that we are going to understand the chemistry in the simple and easy step. Let us understand it in the clear manner. So, my dear student, this is all about the today NCERT question of page number 6. Question number 1. Question number 1 is all about why should a magnesium ribbon be cleaned before burning in air? Magnesium is a highly reactive metal when exposed to air for a long time. Magnesium is a highly reactive metal when exposed to air for a long time. It gets coated with a layer of oxide. Which is physically and chemically stable, and therefore partially mask the reactivity of magnesium. So the oxide coating does not burn when a flame is brought in contact with the metal of magnesium. Therefore the surface should be cleaned with a sandpaper. Before burning the magnesium ribbon in air. This is the answer of question number 1. Question number 2. Write the balance equation for the following chemical reaction. Question number 1. Hydrogen plus chlorine, that is the hydrogen chloride, that is in the word form. Second, barium chloride plus aluminum sulfate, plus aluminum chloride. Third one is sodium plus water, sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen. First is S2Cl2, this is the balance 2HCl. Third one BaCl2, Al2SO4, 3. This is the balance 3BaSO4 plus 2AlCl2. Third one is Na plus S2O, 2Na, 2S2O, 2NaOH plus S2. So this is all about the question number 1 and question number 2. Let us understand the question number 3. There are 3 questions in the NCERT questions of page number 6, my dear student. So let us understand the chemistry in the simple and easy step. Come and join my channel, Chemistry Wala Anand sir. Don't skip the video. Go throughout the complete video to understand the questions in the simple method with the learning of chemistry in the easy step. So my dear student, always remember that if you want to learn the chemistry in the simple and easy step, come and join my channel, Chemistry Wala Anand sir. This is the channel for class 10 and 9. Especially, we have to understand the NCERT syllabus with the different concepts of learning. So, my dear student, I always told you, don't remember the chemistry. Always learn the chemistry in the easy step, because chemistry is not going to be remembering, memorizing. You have to be understand the step wise. Then it should be very easy for you to understand it in the simple manner. It should be very easy to understand the chemistry if you learn the chemistry in the simple and easy stage. So my dear student, it should be clear concept about the chemistry. The chemistry should be the easy manner of understanding. Let us understand the question number 3. Let us understand the question number 3. Let us understand the question number 3. The question number 3 is, write a balanced chemical reaction with the state symbol for the following reactions. Write a balanced chemical equation. Write a balanced chemical equation. Write a balanced chemical equation. You should be write the balanced chemical equation. Write a balanced chemical equation. This is NCERT book. Write a balanced chemical equation with state symbol. With state symbol. With state symbol for the following reactions. For the following reactions. Number 1. So the question number 1, solution of barium chloride. Solution of barium chloride. Solution of barium chloride and sodium sulfate in water. And sodium sulfate in water react to give insoluble barium sulfate and the solution of sodium chloride and the solution of sodium chloride. Question number question number 2. This is question number 1 and this is question number 2. Sodium hydroxide solution. Sodium hydroxide solution in water react with hydrochloric acid, hydrochloric acid solution in water to produce sodium chloride solution and water. Let us understand this reaction in the simple and easy manner. Answer number 3 of NCERT questions. Answer number 3 of NCERT questions. So let us understand it in the simple and easy manner. Answer number 3 of NCERT questions. 1 number. Solution of barium chloride. The question is solution of barium chloride with the state formation BaCl2 aqueous plus sodium sulfate that is Na2SO4 that is also in the aqueous form. What does it gives? It gives you Na2SO4 aqueous. It gives you BaSO4 solid. BaSO4, the state formation is there. Barium sulfate and the solution of sodium chloride, that is NaCl. that is 2 in the aqueous form. Second reaction, this is complete. Sodium hydroxide solution, NaOH, NaOH aqueous plus hydrochloric acid in water aqueous, that is going to form you NaCl aqueous plus water, that is in the liquid form. So my dear student, let us understand this question in a simple manner. Let us understand it in the simple manner and easy state of question number 3. So write a balanced chemical equations with state symbol for the following reactions. Let us understand the question number 1. Solution of barium chloride and sodium sulfate in water. So it is an aqueous form, react to give insoluble barium sulfate and the solution of sodium chloride. So the barium chloride aqueous in water and Na2SO4 aqueous form in water, that is the BaSO4 and 2NaCl aqueous. Second question, sodium hydroxide solution NaOH aqueous in water, react with hydrochloric acid HCl aqueous in water and to produce sodium chloride NaCl, sodium chloride aqueous solution and water, that is H2O, that one is the liquid. So this is all about the question number 1, 2 and 3 of NCERT questions. So let us now understand the things in the simple manner, that you have to be understand it in the clear concept. You have to be understand it in the simple manner. I am giving you the today the new topic. I am going to start the chemical reactions. So today I am only giving you only the introduction about the chemical reactions and equations. The chemical reaction. Today I am going to start the chemical reactions. So what is chemical reaction and what are the types of chemical reactions? But you should always remember in your mind that chemical reaction equation is already completed. So there are few things you have to be just keep in your mind always, that chemical reaction and equation, there are some symbols. Some important symbols are used in the chemical reactions and equations. We will discuss later. So right now we are discussing the chemical reactions. So what do you understand by the chemical reactions? So my dear student, let us understand the chemical reaction, characteristics of chemical equations, limitations of chemical equations. But it is not gathered to be important because in NCERT there is no need of characteristics of chemical equation or all the things all. So there are few characteristics of chemical equation, there are few limitations of chemical reactions, but you should always keep in your mind that about the chemical reactions. So what do you understand by the chemical reactions? We starting the topic, types of chemical reactions. Before the type of chemical, we are going to start the type of chemical reaction. We should understand that what is the chemical reaction. You all know chemical reaction involves the balancing reactions involve the breaking and making of bond, involve the breaking and making of bonds between atoms to produce new substances. So we already discussed. So the chemical reaction involves the breaking and making of bonds between atom and produce new substances. So there are different chemical reactions may be classified in the following main types. Different chemical reactions may be classified in the following main types. Type. So let us understand the different chemical reactions. Chemical reaction. There are certain 5 types of chemical reaction. But first is the combination reaction. Second one is the decomposition reaction. Third one is the displacement reaction. Fourth is double displacement reaction. And fifth one is the oxidation and reduction reaction. Reduction. But there are certain types also. There are certain types of some reaction. In decomposition reaction, electrolytic decomposition. Electrolytic position. One. Second is photochemical decomposition. And third one is the electrolytic thermal decomposition. Thermal decomposition. Thermal. First is thermal decomposition, second is electrolyte decomposition, and third one is the thermal decomposition, photochemical decomposition. In displacement reaction, in double displacement reaction, precipitation reaction. In double displacement reaction, first is the precipitation reaction and second is neutralization reaction. Is it clear? I think so. Oxidation reduction, redox. In oxidation reduction, there is first redox reaction, exothermic reaction, and third one is endothermic reaction. So my dear student, today I am giving you only the introduction about the chemical reaction involves the breaking and making of bonds between atoms to produce new substances. So the chemical reaction involves the breaking. They are going to break or they are going to involve or they are going to produce the new substances. So different chemical reaction may be classified as. So the types of chemical reaction, there are mainly 5 types of chemical reaction. Combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, oxidation and reduction reaction. Combination reaction, there is no subtype, but in decomposition reaction there are 3 types. There is a thermal decomposition, applied decomposition, photochemical. After that, in displacement reaction there is no subtype, double displacement reaction, precipitation reaction and neutralization reaction. Double displacement reaction, precipitation reaction and neutralization reaction. After that, oxidation and reduction reaction, there is redox reaction, exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction. So this is all about the today video. So thank you for watching my video. This is Surya, chemistry teacher. Welcome in my channel, Chemistry Wala sir. Give more views, like and share. Also subscribe my channel. If you want to learn the chemistry in the simple and easy step, go to my channel. Come through my channel, Chemistry Wala sir, and give more views, like and share. Thank you all of you. Take care.